Hey guys, I'm just heading out to check out this millet exhibition happening nearby. Super excited to see what's new and maybe grab a few healthy goodies. Stay tuned, I'll take you along with me. So, why are millets good for us? Millets are rich in fiber, protein, and essential minerals, making them great for digestion, heart health, and blood sugar control. They're also gluten free and eco friendly, making them a smart choice for both your body and the planet. So today I'm at the Shanti food stall and they have all kind of millets that you can think of. Barnyard, little, kodo, anything. They also have a wide range of cold press oils to choose from.
This is what?
Buckwheat dalia ka dokla.
Okay.
This is Nashni dalia upma.
Okay.
This is jawar sabudana khichdi.
Okay.
And this is hakka noodles, millet hakka noodles.
Okay.
Millet Maggi. Millet vermicelli. Millet pasta.
Okay.
And foxtail millet premix we have.
Okay.
जैसे खिचड़ी बना सकते हैं
Okay.
जवार में से पर जो नॉर्मल जवार बाहर मिलती है ना वो कुक नहीं होती है
Okay.
ओवरनाइट सूप करने के बाद भी अगर आप 10 सीटी भी करोगे कुकर में
हाँ.
it won't get like soft.
Okay.
So this is the different jawar.
This is a different jawar. Okay.
It looks like sabudana, it tastes like sabudana.
Okay.
Half kg if you want more.
So I
you can
really
try
liked
2 kg.
this one.
So it has
This one and it
Nachni
is
set.
Nachni
You
dalia.
can check the ingredients.
So can you tell me how you make it?
Yeah. For nachni, there is no need to soak. You can just cook directly within 20 minutes.
Okay.
Heat up the ghee, add ginger chili paste, curry leaves,
Okay.
and saute the vegetable whatever you like,
Yeah.
whatever you want to put.
Okay.
Okay, once it get to cook vegetable, add this nashni dalia,
Okay.
1 cup of this and 2.5 cup of water.
Okay.
Add salt as per the taste,
Okay.
little bit of sugar, lemon, and let it cook open only.
Okay.
Once the water get absorbed, it will get cooked, and lastly add the roasted peanut butter.
Oh, okay. That's the taste factor. Okay. And why is this different from other nachni, your nachni?
This normal nashni, you have to soak it for overnight,
All right.
and after that you can cook in the cooker only.
Okay.
And this is the instant one.
So I don't need to cook this in a
Dalia.
cooker.
Yes, open cooking, and right now only you decide you can make it.
Ah, okay.
There is no need
Instantly.
of- yes.
All
In
right,
20
all right.
minutes it will get ready.
Okay, it's really tasty though. Thank you. Maybe I don't like vermicelli actually, so usually.
How about Maggi noodles?
Yeah, maybe. What is this?
This is Maggi noodles. It has a Maggi concept. It's made up of millet itself, and it is not deep fried. It's boiled.
Okay. Okay. I'll taste a little bit of this. Yeah.
Even barley also. You can make kheer also. Just little.
Oh, this is really nice. So this was really very nice. So she's going to explain how you make this.
This is a jawar Maggi.
Yeah.
Yeah, just you can make 2 ways. Just like a normal Maggi, just heat up the water, add this. We have the taste maker also inside.
Can you show me where it is inside? Yeah, so it's here, given inside.
But taste maker is regular one. It is not giant. It is a regular.
Okay.
And add this, whatever veggies you want to put, you can add.
Okay.
Just like a Maggi. And the second way is just like a normal noodles. Just boil it in water, rinse the water.
Then you fry your
And
onions
just fry
and
the vegetable, add this.
so we
and
can
add the
treat it
taste
just like
maker.
Maggi.
Yes.
Okay, cool.
This is Nashni dalia. Out of that, I have made upma.
Upma, okay.
Noodles. Maggi is not deep fried, it is oil.
So this is Dipesh Geda and his wife, and they are the owners of the millets that you can see. So I want to ask them, why did you all think of starting this?
डे बाई डे डिजीज इज मोर उसके लिए हमने ये सोचा कि डे बाई ऐसे प्रोडक्ट लेके आवे जिससे सबकी हेल्थ भी इम्प्रूव होवे और सबकी हेल्थ को अच्छा रहे। तो मिलेट्स मैंने देखे, कादर अली का उन्होंने सुना, तो जिससे इंस्पायर होकर मैंने सोचा कि पूरे ऐसे अच्छे अच्छे प्रोडक्ट बनाए जिससे डे बाई डे सबकी हेल्थ इंप्रूव होवे और खाने में भी इजी होने चाहिए कि जिससे बच्चे इसको एक्सेप्ट करें। ये मोटो से ही हम लोग ने ये स्टार्ट किया और इसको स्टार्ट करके हमको 10 ईयर्स हो गए।
ओह 10 years.
Yeah.
आप गुजराती में भी कुछ बोल सकते हैं?
ઓકે અને દિવસે દિવસે બધાની હેલ્થ બગડતી હતી તો અમે લોકો વિચાર કર્યો કે આપણે સારા ફૂડ્સ લઈ આવીએ જે ખાવામાં ઇઝી હોય, બનાવવામાં ઇઝી હોય. અને મિલેટ તરફ બધાનું લગાવ નેગેટિવ હતું તો અમે સોચ્યું કે એને પોઝિટિવમાં કેવી રીતના લાવવો જોઈએ. એની માટે અમે લોકો સ્ટાર્ટ કર્યું છે અને આ 10 વર્ષથી આ પ્રોડક્ટ અમે વેચી રહ્યા છે અને ડે બાય ડે અમારા ઇમ્પ્રુવમેન્ટ્સ થઈ રહ્યા છે, લોકો એને પસંદગી કરી રહ્યા છે અને ડે બાય ડે રિપીટ ઓર્ડર્સ બી અમને આવી રહ્યા છે. અને એ બધા માટે તમને બધાને, અમારા ફોલોઅર્સને બધાને થેન્ક્સ કે અમને આટલું બધું પ્રતિસાદ આપ્યો. મારું નામ દીપેશ ગઢા છે, ગોરેગાંવમાં રહું છું. ગોરેગાંવ વેસ્ટમાં મારી શોપ બી છે, મારું આપની.
And this is his wife who makes all the amazing products, all the recipes and everything. So you want to say something?
Actually ये जो डाइट फूड बोलते हैं कि डाइट फूड बोरिंग होता है एंड ऑल, इट इज़ नॉट लाइक दैट. वी कैन मेक इट टेस्टी. नॉर्मली वी कांट लीव विदाउट लाइक पास्ता, नूडल्स एंड ऑल.
Yeah.
लेकिन ये जो जंक फूड है वो भी हम खा सकते हैं, लेकिन उसको सिर्फ हेल्दी कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. इंस्टेड ऑफ मैदा वी कैन चूज़ द हेल्दी ऑप्शन ऑफ मिलेट मैगी पास्ता विच हैज़ नो मैदा एट ऑल. सो बच्चे भी खा सकते हैं, बड़े भी खा सकते हैं. सो वाई नॉट टू चूज़ हेल्दी इफ़ द ऑप्शन इज़ देयर.
Okay.
एंड टेस्टी भी है तो वी कैन फॉलो इट फॉर द लॉन्ग टाइम. एंड वो पूरा हम कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं मिलेट में. एंड मिलेट जो है वो ओरिजिनली अपना इंडियन फूड है.
Right.
सो दैट इज़ मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट कि जो इंडियन फूड है वही खाना चाहिए. जहाँ पे रहते हैं वहाँ का स्टेपल फूड हमें बॉडी को ज़्यादा सूट होता है.
Right. All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
મને બધું ભાવે છે ટુ બી ઓનેસ્ટ. મલ્ટી મિલેટ સારું છે.
Actually, oils के बारे में आप कुछ
સારું છે,
बोलिए.
નાચની પણ સારું
या दिस आर द नेचुरल ऑयल्स. कोल्ड प्रेस है तो उसमें न्यूट्रिएंट्स वगैरह रहते हैं. न्यूट्रिएंट्स वगैरह रहते हैं.
हाँ.
सो दिस आर द हेल्थ बेनिफिट उसके ज़्यादा है. एंड यू कैन सी द कोकोनट ऑयल. यहाँ पे AC चालू है तो ये पूरा जम गया है. दैट शोज द प्योरिटी.
Correct.
दिस आर द ऑल पर्पस ऑयल.
हर प्रकार का ऑयल बनाते हैं.
यस.
ओके.
एंड दिस इज ऑल पर्पस ऑयल. स्किन केयर, हेयर केयर, कुकिंग.
ओके.
For all
क्या
purpose.
ऑयल्स हम बनवा सकते हैं आपसे?
कलौंजी है, आलमंड ऑयल है, देन से फ्लावर्स है विच इज़ गुड फॉर द हार्ट हेल्थ.
ओके.
एंड इवन कोकोनट ऑयल, तिल ऑयल, मस्टर्ड ऑयल,
ओके.
ग्राउंडनट ऑयल वो रेगुलरली मिलता है.
इसका प्राइसेस आप बता देंगे
અનલિમિટેડ કોકોનટ ઓઇલ का
कोकोनट ऑयल इज 350 हाफ लीटर.
ओके.
दिस
मस्टर्ड ऑयल.
मस्टर्ड ऑयल इज 230 रुपीज़
ओके.
हाफ लीटर. दिस इज तिल ऑयल 300 रुपीज़ हाफ लीटर.
ओके.
एंड दिस ग्राउंडनट ऑयल 430 रुपीज़ 1 लीटर.
एंड
We have the Gir Gai ghee, Gir Gai A2 ghee.
Yeah.
A2 yani it is a desi cow ghee.
Okay.
But when we say the desi cow, the topmost variety of the cow is Gir. So we have the special Gir cow ghee,
Okay.
A2 ghee.
This is
So
Bellona method?
Yeah, Bellona method. And this is like 2400 rupees 1 liter.
Okay.
And half liter is 1200 rupees.
Okay.
Both the package is available.
ओके फाइन.
Yeah.
थैंक यू.
Welcome.
Hi, this is Priya Chheda. I'm a dietitian. So Wednesday is the pasta day at our place.
Okay.
So my kids eat jawar pasta, little millet pasta. These are with like regular pasta. You won't feel that it doesn't have maida or something. It tastes the same as usual pastas. So do try all the things, pastas and noodles also too good. So do try. Thank you.
હેલો ફ્રેન્ડ્સ, શાંતિ દાલની હું છે ને એકદમ રેગ્યુલર કસ્ટમર છું. એમના બધા મેં પ્રોડક્ટ યુઝ કર્યા છે, બધા હેલ્ધી ફૂડ છે. મારા ઘરમાં પણ બધા લોકો એ મૂળે ચટપટી ખાય છે. તો તમે પણ અહીંયા આવીને ટેસ્ટ કરો. ઓકે, થેન્ક યુ.
So yes, I did get myself the jowar noodle, which I'm going to try soon, and also the nachni dalia. So let's see how it turns out. I'm sharing the address